CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo here with some more crypto gains. Tonight we are talking about cost averaging and how do you calculate the cost per unit of a coin when you already own some and you buy some more. This is called cost averaging. That's where you have to find the average of the old stuff combined with the new stuff. So first and foremost, looking at Verge, and this is directly related to tonight's video. We can see Verge pumped and then it seemed like it dumped. But if you've been following Verge on Steemit and a couple others, you can see that we are getting a really nice Elliott wave, perfect triangle, with some people calling a 3,000 and above Satoshi price. And we've completed A, B, C, and we're kind of in the middle of D. And then after that, there's the breakout. So with that being said, let's look. I currently own a nice chunk of Verge. So what I've done is I've created this automatic calculator, which you can download in the link below. And what it will do is it will teach you how to cost average. So every time you make a buy, you add the new buy and what you paid for it to the spreadsheet in columns B, C, and D. Okay? And then what this does is, so I have XVG 60,000 at a price of 0.1311. So 78.66, and I figured that by multiplying the total number of coins by the price. So what I'm going to do, because I think Verge is going to surge, I'm going to make another buy of XVG. So I'm going to have a new buy, XVG, don't know how many, and I don't know what the price is yet. Okay, so I'm going to follow back over to hit BTC. Alright, so my order finally went through, and if I click over on filled cancel orders, I can see that I got 1,000 shares at an average price of 0.14412,400. So what I'm going to do is 144,124,400. So I'm going to take that new buy and I'm going to go back to my calculator. XVG, I'm adding 1,000 units. The price was 144,124,000. So the purchase tonight was $144, 1,000 at a unit cost of this. I already had 60,000 at this cost. So remember, you're only entering stuff in these three columns: B, C, and D. So what happens here is all of this is added up here, total cost, and total units is added up. And then what happens is 61,000 units at a total cost of 8,010, total cost divided by total units. So we take the total cost divided by the total units, and we have our new unit price. So we know if Verge is above 13.13 cents, I'm making money. So let's just say, for example's sake, I went ahead and bought another batch of Verge. So let's say I got 10,000 shares at a price of 0.15. Makes my new cost average 0.133945. Now, you really don't need to use this calculator, but the concept of this calculator is to teach you, as you make multiple purchases of the same crypto, that the price will change because of what's called cost averaging, and you get a new average every time you buy more or you sell into it. That's tonight's video. This is CryptoSlo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.